Hello, my Pisces, Aries, cusp sign. Let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of October 25 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Weave to Live family. If you belong to my zodiac signs, darlings, hang on for some more time. Shortly we'll upload a reading for you. This is for my cusp babies. So let's bifurcate the reading into three parts. First to the 10th, 11th to the 20th, that is 20, and 21st to the 31st. Let's go. Angels and spirit guides, first 10 days please. We begin with comparison, possibilities, master, celebration. Beautiful. So, celebration month. Okay, so the first 10 days obviously we have good festive season starting up. So, yes, celebration moments are coming up. You know what you are. You are the master of your life. So, your higher self will give you some signs through dreams, visions. Okay, so follow that signs. Broaden your horizon. Okay, when you are looking at any opportunity, success is coming. You are traveling. Okay, whenever you get stuck, look from a higher perspective. The only thing is you're comparing. I don't know why you are comparing, but whatever that comparison is your block. So avoid comparing yourself with others. Allow the changes to come in your life. Let's go to the mid 10 days. That would be from the 11th to the 20 of this October month. We have slowing down, aloneness, innocence. Mid 10 days, darlings, you want, you achieve. So, adventure and slowing down, finance is coming towards you, there is a new opportunity, grab it. Okay, but take baby steps is what it's trying to say. Whenever you miss somebody, call them. Do not give up. Okay, Mother Nature seems to be calling you. So that it's going to be one of the beautiful healer, and enjoy the simplicity of life. I mean, there is good news coming up in the mid 10 days, darlings. Just have faith in yourself. Okay, this is what it's trying to say. Now let's come to the last 10 days. That would be from the 21st to the 31st of October. So many. Can I just have two, please? We begin with patience, inner voice, beyond illusion, and transformation. Can you see the beauty? Woman, 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 woman. Okay, that's the crescent moon, you have the moon swings, okay? That's where you need to gain clarity, and you have your angels and spirit guides supporting you. So the last 10 days, whatever ups and downs are going, remember to allow, accept and release. Remember, something beautiful is coming in your life. You have to have patience, birth of a new venture, success, celebration moments. Gain clarity. How do you gain clarity? When you allow your higher self to help you. Let things open up at its given time. Okay, so maybe that transformation is required for you. Do not get scared. Just go with the flow in the last 10 days. Now let's come to your angels. Let's seek some guidance from them. Angels and spirit guides. Beautiful. Perfect timing. So whatever is happening in your life or will happen at the given time, the divine is working behind the scenes. Your angels are assisting and helping you. So have faith. Okay, don't give up. Now let's come to your love life. Okay, let's see. Angels and spirit guides, matters of heart. One, so many. Can we just have selected messages, please? We have ex and soulmates. So avoid getting into self-sabotaging or the silent treatment or abandonment issues. If there are separations, then you need to understand if there is any pattern that is repeating that you need to let go. Yes, you have a soul contract or a partnership or a soul connection. Maybe that's the reason you might not understand. But yes, that is the reason behind this entire jigsaw puzzle for a lot many at the matters of heart. Now, before we close, let's ask universe if there is anything specific coming up your way in this month. Occupation, so keep working hard, work on your craft. That is more that is where success is embracing, because anyways you have finance flow coming in. So how should I sum up this month? Beautiful. I think have patience is what I will say, because when you have patience with yourself, you will understand what exactly is happening around you, and accordingly you can take your move. Finance is coming towards you. Emotionally you guys can be happy. Health wise, if you start taking care of yourself, then yes, you will be fine. Spiritually, your psychic abilities are going to strengthen up. Okay, so that's what it's trying to say. Your angels are saying everything is working and will be delivered to you at the divine time. At the matters of heart, avoid any toxicity. In fact, understand it's a soul contract. Maybe that's the reason that thing you guys could experience, and keep working hard, because that is the mantra for you for this month. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't resonated, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.